Now I'm cleaning up a set of wheels and some other small stuff. So the wheels are all cleaned from rust and stuff, and also all those brackets and different pieces and the air filter box, just to make it look a little neater. Those are ready for primer now, and okay, let's do this. So now we have the primer on those 10 pieces. Next we can paint those black. The wheels will stay white. I will just put the lacquer on those. And there's this piece that goes to the car, which the one I already did, those broke off. I precautionary already welded those, and now I can paint that red also. All painted now. Black parts, some I painted red. Also that one there is drying, and the wheels. So now we have this. So now I need to do some kind of attachment point for here, so I can attach this there. So I made a cardboard template, but that is just a rough. I'm gonna make it look slightly cooler. Yeah, I've got it marked. Yeah, sheet metal. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let me cut. Now I'm gonna cut. I did those pressings off camera because Those are nothing special, but make it a little bit more interesting, not just a flat panel. Okay, let's cut. That lip is gonna cut the minimum. And the other one I have actually, the other one cut already. I'm gonna mark it. Now I'm gonna weld those corners, and then I need to drill 2 holes here to mount those up in the car, and something like 3 holes here for the actual mud flap. Pretty good. First I'm gonna install this with self-tapping screws. And then later I can drill those holes bigger that these screws leave behind. Okay, so here we have it. So I figured out the design that I like for those supports here. And now I'm gonna cut those out of metal. I got those cut out, and now I'm gonna bend those. So I got one bent already. The other one gonna be the mirror. Those painted. I put white primer on those, and then I just painted those with this stone chip, black stone chip. Got some new rivets, and now we can start installing those mud flaps. 당기면서 it up and nice and strong. Also this side, yeah, we are good to go on those. Also already pre-drilled the holes. Smaller one suits very nicely here. I don't need to down. Okay, let's put some primer. I'm also gonna paint this, freshen it up a little. This is the cover for the speaker on the dash. So what we got going on right now is, I would say, that piece that will attach through the grill, out to the back onto this radiator wall or whatever you call it. Then there will be this piece that I made. This will attach to the light, and here where there's a hole, there will be a slot on this on this, so I have adjustability here. I have to still make that slot, so there will be this slot, and I made those. This is basically a nut. I made this out of 5mm thick steel plate. This will fit in here, and it will thread, tighten and pinch this on here wherever I need. But yeah, now I need to make that slot into this. I have the slot made, and that's how this thing goes. You can move it in or out. The other side is not fastened yet, but I will do that next. Because that piece I'm not gonna have to paint. It's stainless, but those I will paint. So, got those pieces already. Now I'm gonna put some primer on those, and then we can paint those black. Okay, let this side dry up, and then we can prime the other side. Okay, now we can install those brackets, but for that I'm gonna remove the battery. Let's look at it. Get these. Now let's put the other one. And that's cool. Gonna go on here like so, and now you can check or replace the fuse if necessary, and yeah. So now we got this attached, and that goes here like so. Very neat and tidy, and if you need to take it off, just you can get it out, but it will not go anywhere from here. Okay. So got those pieces painted. Now we can go ahead and install. This goes here. So now it's able to move like that, and if I tighten this, then it's pinched up and down. Now I'm gonna use the rivet. And now, yeah, you can see. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it something like that right now. And it's tight as hell. Actually, I have those towels. Okay, one job done. So guys, I got this tachometer and I made this little housing plate, and it will mount like on a slight angle like that, and it will mount through this plate here with screws. As you can see, we have the dash installed. Lights, and with the other dash lighting, this comes on as well. Don't worry, my engine was already warmed up. Also painted this cover. I think I already covered this. Now let's see if we can make that look a little bit nicer. Clean up and paint it and use it as it is. And if it breaks down or something, then I'm gonna make a new one. So yeah, got this cleaned up. Looks a lot nicer now. Next I'm gonna cover this tip with tape, and the rest I'm gonna paint with heat resistant paint.